What if remodeling your bathtub could actually hurt your home's value? Or what if keeping it is holding your bathroom back? It sounds like a simple upgrade decision, but rarely is. Because what works in one home can feel like a mistake in another. Hi, I'm Curtis McGrath from Bytown Better Baths and Showers. And today, I'll be helping you understand what really adds value in your home in Ottawa so you can make the right decision before you renovate. Let's start with what actually changes in today's bathrooms. More and more homeowners in Ottawa are moving towards walk-in showers, and it's not hard to see why. They're clean, modern, and they instantly make a bathroom feel more open. With glass panels and low entry design, they're also much easier to step into, which makes a big advantage if you're taking a long-term planning and age in place. And for most people, daily life is quicker with a shower, so a walk-in setup is simply more practical. But what most homeowners don't think about is a walk-in shower isn't always a better choice for every home. If you remove the only bathtub, you could limit yourself for appeal, especially for families. Because for buyers with kids, a home without a tub feels like a deal breaker. And of course, once it's gone, so are the options to relax and soak in something that a lot of homeowners don't realize they miss until the renovation. Now on the other side, you got the bathtub. It's been the standard in homes for decades, and for good reason. It gives you flexibility. You can dig a bath or just use it as a shower. It's especially useful for families with young kids, and many buyers having at least one tub in the home just feels expected. But bathtubs also come with trade-offs. They take up more space and can make a small bathroom feel tighter. And let's be honest, many homeowners barely use them for actual baths. So now the real question becomes, which one actually helps the resale value in Ottawa? And in my honest opinion, it's not about choosing one over the other, but what your home already has. In many Ottawa neighborhoods, especially family-oriented ones, homes that still have at least one bathtub tend to have appeal to a wider range of buyers. That doesn't mean walk-in showers hurts resale. In fact, they can absolutely add value, especially when they improve the layout, accessibility, and everyday function. The smartest approach we see, keep the bathtub in the home and upgrade the other bathrooms with a walk-in shower. That way, you get the best of both worlds, daily comfort and strong buyer appeal. And just as important as the fixture itself, keeping the design simple and neutral. Because trendy doesn't always sell, but timeless usually does. And this is exactly why most homeowners need guidance. At Bytown Better Baths and Showers, we don't just push one option over another. We look at how you actually use your bathroom, your layout, and what will give you the best balance of comfort today and value tomorrow. Sometimes that means converting a bathtub into a walk-in shower. Other times that means upgrading your existing bathtub to make it more functional and modern. Either way, the goal is the same. A bathroom that works better for you and makes sense for your home. If you're still unsure whether a walk-in shower or bathtub is the right move, the best next step is to look at your space and the goals together. And if this needs a second opinion, we got your back. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest bathroom renovation tips.